Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And today in this video, I'm gonna show how to create automatic file backup on Windows 11. If you're new to the channel, please make sure to subscribe. And now let's begin. To create automatic file backup on Windows 11, open Control Panel, then click on System and Security, then open Backup and Restore, Windows 7. Here, under the Backup or Restore Your File section, click the Setup Backup option, and wait until it starts. Now, select where you want to save the backup, for example, USB external storage or a secondary drive, then click on Next. You can also use the Save on a Network button to select a shared folder in the network, to upload the backup to your local network attached storage. Now, if you want to do a selective backup, select the second option, or you can continue with the first option, as it's the recommended option, and then click on Next. Now, click the Change Schedule button, if you want to change, and then select when you want to run backups. After selecting, click the OK button, and now click on the Save Settings and Run Backup button. Once you complete the steps, the backup process will begin for the first time, and then follow-up backups will be performed on schedule. And now you can see, the backup has been successfully done. Now, if you want to restore files from Windows Backup, under the Backup or Restore Your File section, click the Restore My Files Backup option. Click the Choose a Different Date option to restore the previous version of the file. Now, click the Browse for Files or Browse for Folders button to restore a file or folder. Select the file or folder depending on the data you want to restore. After selecting the files, click the Add Files or Add Folder button, then click on the Next button. If you want to restore the files in a different location, select the second option, and proceed with that. If you want to restore the files to their original location, check the Restore the Files to their original subfolders option, and then click on the Restore button. And after the restore is completed, you can click on Finish. So that was it. Hope it was useful. Consider like for the video, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, just comment down below. Thanks for watching and have a great day ahead.